Hey friends, if you wish to allow or prevent themes from changing desktop icons in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, it's not very difficult. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Themes. Now click on Desktop Icon Settings. We have an option here which says Allow themes to change desktop icons. If it is checked, then it is allowed. If it is unchecked, then it is prevented. Okay, so if I click on Apply and then on OK, I may change the theme or whatever, but it will not change the desktop icons here or any size, any framework of the same. But you know what? Honestly, there isn't much of a difference. So I'll just check this option. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.